or in return, we will vote with them. Aresa katana le moto, re opposition, re afita, rabia merero ya rina, keba sa kwane bari yolo wa ketua, renara putamazo. Wanya kwa nguya ntwani ngaya ntwani. Arumela SMS or na, tutwani chiwudi fini chika mogi nyaka uwa. Kaura gina kuna lewa tuwawe. Well, let's be very clear. We are an opposition. We are not helping anyone to get power. There na neuri reka kona rescue wa mashaba kabaka la arrogance ya DA. Ura urlie na utluju. Karbatlu muncha makubi ala ANC. He mashaba aka Johannesburg. The people should not blame the EFF. The people must blame the DA, which was arrogant and refused to share power even when it didn't win elections. The most reasonable thing to do when you have not won elections is to share power. And don't behave arrogantly like the ANC do all the time when they're in power. Actually, the DA and the ANC are the same. So, abaye banyalane, badieche badibuang, kechabona, na harbitse. Fighters, we are now in parliament. And rokerije no more. Barata basarat. Yalo kwa parlamenti, ditlobo. Yado timer cricket. Arutlo ramuka. Utulas veti. Rutamaka ramapos. Uruchele tesibaro di chiriti. Dikai. Relateles mama panisela sahai baringi pravin. Urna. Public protector urli wena awula tili mulao wana kamo unyaka ingi ka parlamente par parlamente arinya ki mutu wao se trompe constitution wao se trompe le chapter 9 institutions ja constitutionary how Ramaphosa kuba moyani on recommendations of a commission. Azanga Tiana Hakuba Jiba Omukubile the recommendations of commission. Commission is not a chapter 9 institution. Mara, give the recommendation over Kubi. Chapter 9 institution in the form of a public protector. Iri Mutu ala tela mulao mu discipline. Ramaphosa waga or no moto or review a case or review a case I will suspend the remedial actions of the public protector. You to arrange the constitutional court a village. You resettlement and lebona court. Very ya court rewina very loser I will say around the struggle continues. When Aria Kotorisha, Kitreva Manuel, Barno, EFF Patele 500,000, Uriyo, EFF lose the KC, one lose about 500,000. Solomon Mashangu loser, as far 500,000. Barle Hampala, Bayo Mohanga, Bamolaya. Awona Mutuari Lady, yo, ANC Luzabile Yabahang, Baba Hang. The people, the more the ANC lost cases, the more determined we became. Mandela we let Ronkon 27 years. Barle Uluzite Casey, Apateleka 27 years in prison. Whenever you lose case, Opatela 500,000, Okuyamato Rimato. Remonto anymore. Some you lose, some you win. Pintwa. And here we shall about Channel Trevor Manuel Court. Bow regular the Rothschild, the establishment of white monopoly capital. We are on the right track because manaba a revolution a reacha court yalo o mongwe wo a ke define gore yena ke le naba la EFF ke Paul Mashatile o mongwe a ke define gore ke le naba la EFF ke Leboa Maile ha re ba bona re tseba gore ke manaba se sengwe le se sengwe le ka ba se senyane ka bona se tlishe mo EFF mo re ba rene ka sona re fetse ka bona because they become the enemies of the EFF. Let them be treated as such. Whether they winner in court or not, we don't care. Barbanyaka million, reta koleka sente, raba family ya bona, ratwela pele reba reta, kar arto yema, mori kwango runka bunyofo, rabler, rashuparmo, bunkanto na ubola. Are tseleng re kweng ha re lwe le bona re re Alexander renewal e nkga bonyofonyofo re nyaka tšhelete ya Alexander renewal ba explain yalo ba re ba khoto gore ba ikemišetše to explainela court gore tšhelete ela ya Alexander renewal e ka yona. South Africa must be aware or the suppression of political speech is a direct threat to constitutional democracy. The court must not make a mistake of suppressing a political speech. Because if we can't express ourselves politically because we're scared we'll be arrested or will be taken to court, people will resort to other means which are not acceptable in terms of the Constitution. Let's guard the Constitution with everything, particularly the free speech, which is guaranteed by the Constitution. The opposition survives through free political speech. When you suppress a political speech, you are suppressing opposition parties because their relevance is to talk without fear or favor. But today, when you talk with fear that the court will come and say, pay 500,000 to Trevor Manuel, you are suppressing opposition parties. There will not be opposition parties, and once there are no effective opposition parties, corruption, maladministration, abuse of power will be institutionalized. It doesn't matter whether the person who brought the matter to suppress political speech is a favorite of the court or not. The court must guard jealously the Constitution and the political speech. Let the political speech not be suppressed in South Africa. Many countries in Africa, it doesn't mean their people are cowards. They are scared to speak because if you speak, you'll be arrested. A simple speak of saying, yo, the president of the country today didn't dress properly. In other countries, you get arrested for saying that. South Africa, with the suppression of political speech, we're going there. I say it now so that when it happens, you can replay the videos. The journalists in South Africa, the clothes and the dustbin jarring. Last said, young one who they took agara dustbin. Dustbin yam we say. Yafita agree to use condom. Ashimano I very condom. Rana woman na very condom. Sabe al khoro grele condom kamu dotin yao. But look at how dirty this white woman is. You know, a used condom gets wrapped in a toilet paper or something. She's prepared. Can you imagine her opening that? Such a desperation. Opening that because you want to nail the EFF. We will not ask you to go into the dustbin of journalists, because if we do that, you'll find worse things. Worse. We can't degenerate to that level of going into dustbin, of going into people's bedroom. The next thing, they will be peeping through windows to see how many rounds do you perform in your bedroom. Rababita Rabba. They are coming into our bedroom. The next article is going to be, how many rounds do you perform? Because we have gone to the gutter journalism, we have gone to the press journalism. SANEF is quiet. We search where it does been. Why are they searching dustbins? We are being followed. The intelligence is following us. The rogue unit is following us. Every day. I'm not theorizing. Literally, there are men and women who are working for the establishment who are following us on a daily basis. Our phones are tapped. How many SMS? How phone? You must know it's not only us in the conversation. We've got permanent residents on our phones here. We've got permanent people who are deployed in our offices, deployed in our homes. People who are given money to rent places next to where we stay and permanently watch us. I can say what about Shiman Babatlu Nyala Yuang Basaki Batakana le Makaribe. Carreba Copana le Makaribe, Kini News. Or Liver Run le Makaribe, Gamonte. Hey! What's that for Shiman Baba? There's nothing wrong with what they are doing. Kabanyala. They can do anything they want to do. They are not married. Leave these young men alone. Let's because they must live in fear. They can't live in permanent fear. Once you live in permanent fear, you must know you are dead even when you are alive. Let them write anything they want to write about you. Don't be scared. There is nothing they can find on the leaders of the EFF. Bari, Heba para H&M, Ba para Zara. Such cheapest stores. Jalabar by Shimano Babadi, Batamaeba Punuka. Kauri, H&M and Zara. Adituri Batbaba Bereka Banalemegolo. Abareki dia paroka chelteja EFF. Bareka Kamegolo Yabona. Why is it a crime to buy in H&M and Zara when you are working? Why is it a crime to buy the alcohol you can afford with your own money? Whereas all of these leaders of the EFF, auna umuti yoke mutiba wasa ishing mutu skolu or wasa tushing la palau troka. We don't talk about it because kemusunu warina. We help poor families. Har faith out to Shabatu. Gelir na ribete ki moya batu. Rehen. Gelir godi munamuna. Korosa salerna. Retso e appreciate abu pelo. Arinya ku kwaresa pela. The bare samaya lona. Hey, while in na Kems Bay. Bare was spending 60,000. Let me explain to you. 60,000 over 8 days on a 4-bedroom house in Kems Bay. Bapatala 6,000 per night. You know, divide 6,000 by 4 is 1.8. 1.8 is Holiday Inn. That's the most cheapest hotel you can find. The money these people have paid, why are you not comparing it with the money that Parliament pays for the hotels? They pay 5,000 plus per person. But when EFF spends 1,800 per person in an accommodation, it's very expensive. Let them go and stay in Kailicha. Why are they not eating the food of Kailicha? Why? Because when you are in town, you are disturbing whites. They don't want to. That is the racist article we are subjected to. That what are you doing where white people should belong? You belong to Kailicha. They still subject you to what apartheid subjected you. Hey, arinya kor lenne Mamelodi, arinya kor lenne Atteridgeville, arinya kor lenne mogunan le tsini, mogunan le metsi, mogunan le motlhagase, mogunan le skolo, mogunan le dipetele, mogunan le mabona strata, basadi ba tsamaye bošego ba emo ba yang gona ba ye dithapelong, ba bue ba sa tšhabe selo. If those things are going to happen in Mamelodi, fine. But if they are not happening in Mamelodi, then everybody in Mamelodi must come to where those things are happening. Because we all deserve a better life. Socialism does not mean Alexander. If your definition of socialism is Alexander, I resign. Socialism means a better life for all. What is a better life? You must get everything you want. And all of us must get that. The question is, we want to now. That's what you need to do. The good and beautiful houses are not only for white people, they are for us. Why? Because the land belongs to us. These houses come from the land. Hello, we're now joining the EFF for Unyaka Ukwela Mukuku. Na EFF ya Mikuku. Unyaka Ulinchaka Rami Kuku. Unyaka Ulinchaka Rami Kuku. Ali Auto Nakaram Kuku. Auto Yakama Auto for the rest of your life. Unyaka Ulincha. Kamola Treshela. Lebe Batu. Lebe Lisiriti. Walo geba tuwaban sugar babata mela moma kuana kimukaki di nyusu banyakai baba ngoba lena. You even listen to whites who tell you where black people must stay, what black people must eat, what black people must wear. That's absolute nonsense. You must never entertain nonsense. Botata ba lena ba rena rele batho ba bantsho Renyaka validation. We want white validation. Let me tell you, you scare investors. In simple terms, they say you scare white people. Which black person is an investor? But about hey, the knowledge of Shamako. Whenever you scare investors, or we are going to double that. It means we are doing the right thing. We are not going to please the investors. We want to please black people of South Africa who are the victims of apartheid. No one is going to tell us how we must get out of apartheid. How Nalitsu Kwanyaka we are Durban July 10. That Chabaselo. Black men, liberate your mind. Stop waiting for approval of white people. I will never work for a white man. Don't be scared of white men. It's just a matter of time before get loan nagamon nangaon. The Sanuki Satare and the fast got a little papa. The Nakauta Nagama how when Wasanjiba Tido, you own the fast leg nale. let's like the owners of the land. Let's go chaba. Ever walk or walk counter le facilita. Le arata le rati. Le muchacha malema le muchachi. Le pasanako le chofanako. It's just a matter of time. The land is coming. Whether there is Julius Malema, whether there is EFF or not, black people one day, they are going to rise and demand their land. And that day is coming. And that day is unstoppable. No amount of press journalism will derail the revolution. Bangwadile ba ngwala, bari he VBS ba ngwala, rauketa the vote. Abangwala. For every bad article, EFF gets 5 votes. They are winner because but barna batoma wula ma. Story sela semwa dilwe maban. But barna kamo kalba nibasari nyagi bara yalo le retella yuan. Cheko tella bat. Kele budi chor batuba. But Lord Bola. They are going to kill us. Because Papa let you give everything. Now they are in the dustbin. The next is inside the house. When you are sleeping, they are going to kill us. I'm telling you now, for you to know they are in our dustbin, it means they're at our gate. The next move from the gate is inside the house. They are going to assassinate us. Why? They can't falter our arguments politically. They can't win against us politically. They use dirty tricks to undermine our political agenda. Mark my word, someone is going to die, killed by these people who are opposed to the EFF. Abel Bali shore ba fedi chegayo. Obonete na muna overall ga reverse kwa parliament. Barbanna banna ba thogor banya kai ban. Okasero khone we are black people. Letalele botatampi. That how that marapelo nariaya. Arugole morao. Only the cowards will retreat. Only those who are not committed to this struggle will be scared. No prison can stop us. No amount of press journalism can stop us. No form of intimidation can stop us. No lawsuit can stop the struggle for economic freedom. We are more determined now than ever before. Arieri Arwele morao. Hailo robuela morao le fieha. Renar na fieha. Ntecho stop ankele ho. Homu wai warto pal rumoria pe. Homu wai warto pal rumoria pe. Where are you going? We are going to reclaim our land. This is a path to socialism. This is a path to reclaim the land. Really fasting. Bakano rebulaya, bakase rebulaya kamuka. Baba we barina, they are going to arrive. Mole fasting labun tate mole barina. Arilin to acharina. Rewadin to achedi tomile kwa mrao. Atwali barina babulaibu. We will continue their struggle. Yareka kwa. Banabarina they will continue the struggle. We don't want to be loved by anyone. We don't seek favor from anyone. We only have ourselves as black people. Auna morka chabela. Wana baka chabela Europe. Rena una morkaya. Auna pleke ngwe bijan second home. This is our home. Rebola ele mo. Kele fasi labun tatarena. Auna moria. You want to kill us. Kill us on this land. We will not go to exile. We are here, prepared to die for our land. Don't retreat, fighters. Arielro Ama, the branch, Makala. We are conferencing in December. We want a peaceful process. Let's go launch branches, elect delegates. Let's go and have the People's Conference. Already in Little TV. ba di bona mabotse fela le batho ba rene ba lebeletse ba re there lies the future of South Africa. Manda! Viva EFF, viva! Viva EFF, viva! Down with Paul Mashatile, down! Down with Trevor Manuel, down! Down with Pravin Gordhan, down! Down with Cyril Ramaphosa, down! Down with the ANC, down! Down with the DA, down! Forward to socialism, forward! Forward to expropriation of land without compensation, forward! Manda! Manda! Nyabasabana! Nyabasabana! Peswabo comrade, no makubi! Siaya! Siaya! No makubi! Siaya! Siaya! No mabesetubola! Besishaya! Besibopa! No mabesetubola! Besishaya! Besibopa! No makubi! Siaya! Siaya! No makubi! Siaya! Siaya! No mabesetubola! Besishaya! Besibopa! Who left? Who right? Hamasa! Who left? Hilamore! Hiwatawata! Tamarumo! Tamarumo! Asita! Where are you when I'm fit? Where are you when I'm dead? Sofa skitchen! Sofa skitchen! Letati! Bonge laban! Helagiti! Bonge laban! Helagiti! Siltatile! Helagiti! Siltatile! Helagiti! Kichi! Kichima! Sipram Konto! Alive! Kiss the poor! The farmer! Kiss the poor! The farmer! Brr, pa! Pa! Brr, pa! Pa!